Want to know how to use Kimi AI on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Kimi app on your phone. So you need to install it. So we have also created a video on how to install that, so make sure to watch it. So once I've done all of that, you can just simply open it up and you need to sign in as well. So once all of it is done, here you should be seeing its interface. So using it is pretty simple. So you can just simply, as you can see by default, it should be under a new chat. So you can just simply select your agents right here on the bottom. As you can see, these are your agents. So you can just simply select any one of these. So now once you select this three hamburger icon, you should be seeing various options like your chat history, that explore Kimi Plus, and much more. So you can also sort chat right here, and on top you should be seeing your profile. So you can just select it for account information and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.